Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Winifred Sanderson from the new Hocus Pocus movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Winifred, let's begin with the eyes. We're going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We're going to leave some space, and then we'll make another line that's going to come up and down here. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes across, and another line that comes across here. Right inside of here, we're going to make a little circle inside each eye, and then we're going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here in the middle, we're going to make a little oval shape for the nose, but we're not going to connect it all the way. Now, along the top of the eye, I'm going to make the line a little bit darker right along the top. And we'll do the same thing to this one, just kind of make the line a little bit darker. And then we're also going to make a little line that comes out here at the edge, kind of like the eyeliner. Now, starting underneath the nose, we're going to make the mouth. So let's begin with a simple little smile. And then we're going to make a little line at the end of each one. Now, starting here, we're going to go up and down, and then up and down. And then right underneath here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and up for the mouth. And then we're going to make another shape right around here for that bottom lip. And then right here, we're going to go down, over, and up with a little line in the middle for the teeth. And we'll just color this part in here. Next, we're going to make the eyebrows. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down right above each eye. Then we're going to bring it up here to a curve. We'll do that same thing here, just kind of curve it up and down. Next, we're going to do that same thing. We'll make it fatter up here and skinnier over here. So we're just going to come up and then down. And we can go ahead and color in this part of the eyebrow right here. Just go ahead and color it in. Now, we're going to start right about here, and we're going to make a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come up here for the face. So let's start right about here. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around and then bring it up to here. Now let's make the hair. So I'm going to start right up here actually at the top, and I'm going to begin with a smile. And then I'm going to make a couple little curved lines on each side. We'll make a couple bigger ones right here. And then we'll make some smaller little curvy shapes all the way down here. So we'll just make some smaller little curvy ones right down to there. Now, starting here, we're going to make a half circle shape for the ear on each side. And we'll put a little line inside of there. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up on each side. And then we'll make a few more bigger curls right around here for some of the hair. And then we'll do some different size curls up here. We're going to make a couple small ones and a couple big ones. And then we'll make a couple more up here. So we'll make a little small one, and then a big one's going to come up and down. And then we'll make a couple little bumps right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up for the neck. And then right here, let's make a little U shape. Starting here, let's curve out, and we're going to come in and down. And we'll do that same thing here. We're just going to curve out, and then we're going to bring it in and down here. And we'll draw a little line down to connect it. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out on each side. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come down, nice and long for like the sleeve of the shirt. We're going to bring this up here. We'll do the same thing here, just bring it right up back towards the body. Next, we're going to make a little line down on each side. And then we're going to make a longer line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve up. So the same thing, we just come down, and then just curve it up here. Next, we're going to bring this line down and in, and we'll do the same thing, just kind of bring it down, and then right to here. Now, these little lines we're going to bring all the way up to here. So we're going to bring this line up, and then we'll bring this one right up to here too. And we'll draw a line right to here. Now, next we just have to make the hands. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make a little line that's going to come out on each side. We're going to make a little sad face shape for the hand. We'll make a little line that's going to come up and then down. And we'll do that same thing. We'll just kind of go up and then down for the fingers. We'll make another one right here that comes out for a finger. We'll do the same thing. Make another one here. Then we'll make one more right here. Do another one here. Make one more. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come up and down. And then one here, we're just going to go up and down. Then we'll bring this line down, and we'll bring this line down. Then I like to add a little line that comes up on each side, just to kind of show the other part of the sleeve. I'm also going to give her some long nails right here on each side. So we'll give her some long nails. And then the last thing is we're going to make some little oval shapes right here for the earrings. And there you go, there is your drawing of Winifred from the new Hocus Pocus movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.